we've got a whole lot of scouting bees on the roof here. You can see by how they're all flying all over, not flying to a single entrance, that they're scouting. The swarm has not arrived yet. Even on the side here, you can see they are scouting all over. So we're going to be placing some baited boxes. These are just baited beehives, normal brood boxes. We're placing one up there and one underneath there, and hopefully the scouts choose the box rather than moving into the ceiling. So let's get them up there. So we bait our hives with a mix of propolis and beeswax that we just harvest from our hives when we're doing hive work. There is a video, I'll put a link in the description below, that shows you how we bait our hives to attract swarms. But if you're in South Africa and you need some propolis to bait a hive or hives, let me know. I'll gladly send you some. Hopefully they will attract the swarms. What we are also going to do for preventative action is, there's an opening here into the ceiling. We're going to be putting one or two of these fumie tabs, which we light and they smoke and they release a unpleasant smell into the ceiling, which will hopefully deter the bees from going in there as well. Okay, the fumie tabs are in the ceiling, and you can see there's a lot of interest now on the hives themselves. So hopefully the next day or two, the swarm does arrive, they'll move into the boxes. So we have done many different removals. If you have a look at the videos on our channel, you can see them there. On the 11th of April, we will be releasing a beekeeping course. So it's all the information that we've gathered over the last 14 years of beekeeping. We've condensed it into a course just so that we can share all of that information with you. So there is a link in the description for the email list that you can join if you want to just receive updates on when that course is released and how you can get it. Just remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.